dear students of class 5, I am your grammar teacher. Students, in previous videos we have discussed the first 4 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective and verb. And in today's video we'll discuss about adjective and its kinds. So first of all, I'll tell you definition of adjective. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word which qualifies or tells more about a noun or a pronoun. So we can say that the word which tells us about the qualities and disqualities of a noun or an object, it is called adjective. Now students, look at page number 27. An adjective is a word that is used to describe or qualify a noun or a pronoun. Now look at the examples. Adil is an intelligent but careless boy. In this sentence and example, you can see the first word is a quality of Adil and second one is disquality of Adil. Okay, and both are adjective in this sentence. Second example is she is poor but happy. You can see in this sentence there are also 2 adjectives which describe the pronoun, and pronoun is she in this sentence. Now move to next example. The old man carried a heavy box. In this sentence there are also 2 adjectives. For man is old and for box is heavy. One thing more, keep in your mind students, we have to write adjective before a noun. You can see in the last one example, before noun there is a noun box and before noun we have written here adjective. Okay, now students, move to kinds of adjective. There are basically 9 kinds of adjective, but in your syllabus there are just 8 kinds. I'll tell you their names. First one is adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, demonstrative adjective, emphasizing adjective, exclamatory adjective, interrogative adjective, adjective of number, proper adjective, possessive adjective. So students, these are the 9 kinds of adjective. Now look at the first kind, adjective of quality. Student, adjective of quality tell us of what kind of a person or thing. Adjective of quality हमें ये बताता है कि जिसके मुतालिक हम बात कर रहे हैं वो किस किस्म का इंसान है. अगर हम किसी चीज़ के मुतालिक बात कर रहे हैं तो वो किस मयार की चीज़ है. Look at the example. The rose is a beautiful flower. In this sentence, beautiful is adjective of quality of flower. Second example is Babur was a good and wise kind. Okay, you can see in this sentence good and wise are telling more about the king and the king is Babur. Now students, move to second kind of adjective, adjectives of quantity. Quantity, मिकदार, कितनी है हमारे पास चीज़. Adjectives of quantity tell us how much of thing is intended or intended. Adjectives of quantity हमें ये बताता है कि हमें जो चीज़ रिक्वायर है वो कितनी चाहिए या कितनी है वो. Now look at the example. A little knowledge is a dangerous thing. Little in this sentence is adjective of quantity. So students, we can say that adjective of quantity shows how much of thing is meant. Now move to third kind of adjective, and that is adjectives of number. Adjectives of number show how many persons or things there are or in what order any of them stands. So students, we can say that it shows how many persons or things are meant और in what order a person or thing stands. ये ज़ाहिर करता है कि इससे कितने अफराद या अशिया मुराद हैं या कोई फ़र्द या शय किस तरतीब में है. Now look at the examples. Many persons were injured in the accident. In this sentence, many is adjective of number. Several, most, 12, first, all these are examples of adjective of number. Now move to fourth kind of adjective, and that is demonstrative adjective. Students, demonstrative adjectives point out which person or thing are meant. Adjective demonstrative adjective mean इसमें सिफ्त, इशारा, ये ज़ाहिर करता है कि इससे कौन सा शख्स या चीज़ मुराद है या हमने किसकी तरफ इशारा किया है. Now look at the example. I want to eat those apples. In this sentence, those demonstrative adjective. If I'll say this flower is lovely, okay, in this sentence, this is also demonstrative adjective. Now students, move to page number 28. Here is fifth kind of adjective, and that is interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives are used with the noun to ask questions. Interrogative adjective को हम noun के साथ use करते हैं कोई भी सवाल पूछने के लिए. What color is your hair? In this sentence, what is interrogative adjective? Okay, and it has made the sentence interrogative as well. Whose in this sentence is interrogative adjective, and in third example, which is interrogative adjective. Now look at sixth kind of adjective, and that is possessive adjective. So possessive adjectives are used with the nouns to show possession. ये noun के साथ इस्तेमाल की जाती है possession, मलकियत को show करने के लिए. Like my book, my pen, his shoes, her purse, its tail, our classroom, your friends, their parents. Okay, if in this word their parents, there is possessive adjective of parents. Now students, move to seventh kind of adjective, and that is distributive adjectives. Students, distributive adjectives are each, every, either and neither. Now look at the example. Each boy must take his turn. Every citizen must do his duty. Either story will do. Neither statement is true. मतलब कोई भी statement सच्ची नहीं है. Now move to next kind of adjective, and that is proper adjectives. Proper adjectives are formed from proper nouns, and you know proper nouns are the name of some particular person, place or thing. Like French apple, Japanese goods, American, African tea. Adjectives can be used both attributively and predicatively. Now students, they have defined the use of attributive adjectives and predicative adjectives. First of all, I'll tell you, in attributive adjective, we have to write adjective before a noun. Now look at the example. This is an interesting story. You can see in this sentence, noun is story, name of something, and before noun we have written here adjective, and that is attributive adjective. Now move to predicative use. This story is interesting. This is example of predicative adjective. Basically students, predicative adjective modify the subject in the sentence. You can see in this sentence, story is subject and interesting is predicative adjective, and it's modify the subject. Second example is, these are ripe mangoes. In this sentence, ripe is attributive adjective. These mangoes are ripe. As I have told you already, a predicative adjective modifies the subject in the sentence. That's why we have to write it later, the subject. So in this sentence, ripe is a predicative adjective. Look at the third example. These are sour grapes. Sour grapes, khatte angur. Predicative use, and these grapes are sour. ये अंगूर खट्टे हैं, and in this sentence we have used sour later the subject. That's why we have used here adjective as a predicative adjective. So students, in today's video I have told the definition of adjective, and we have discussed its 8 kinds. I hope all these concepts regarding adjective and kinds will be cleared. We will meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.